Hi, I'm Jill O'Connell. This is One on Wednesday. Thanks for joining me. I want to visit with you a little bit today about how divorce mediation works in Texas. And the reason why I'm focusing on how divorce mediation works in Texas is that mediation is a well-known concept. There is a neutral who helps two parties or people on opposite sides of an issue see if there's any room for agreement. In divorce, it's a little bit different. In Texas, you are likely to have a divorce mediation that is done in one session, and that is a full day session. That could be 9 to 5, 8 to 5, 8 to 6. Your mediator and your attorneys are likely to determine that, but it's most likely done in one full day of mediation. Why is that interesting? Well, because a lot of other places don't do it in one full day mediation at all. The other interesting thing is that that hasn't changed since we've gone to online mediation. Now, online mediation has been around for years. There are attorneys who have been doing it for a long time before coronavirus and COVID hit and Zoom became an overnight verb, right? We're all Zooming, right? So I want you to know that that hasn't changed. An online divorce mediation is still going to be all day. And truthfully, sometimes they go longer than 5 o'clock. I've done plenty that have been in the long past a full business day hours. And there are some real advantages about it being online. I like it a lot. My parties and attorneys have given me good feedback on online mediation, and I think that there is a real connection with people that doesn't happen in in-person mediation, as well as a lot of other benefits, but that's for another day. So divorce mediation is still full day session, and it can be with an attorney to assist you, or it can be by yourself. And mediation doesn't require you have an attorney, just like you're not required to have an attorney in a divorce. The other interesting thing is that you don't even have to be with online mediation in the same place where your attorney is. If you have one, you can be at home. You can be on your couch. You can be with your cat or your dog, and all the comforts of home. You still don't have to see the other person if you don't want to. In Texas, it's likely that we will not do a joint session with all the parties. We will meet with one party to the divorce and then the other one, and we are likely to go back and forth through the course of the day. And when you get to the end of the mediation, if you've reached agreements, those agreements are usually contained in a special document that's created just for the mediation. Sometimes there's an exchange of a divorce decree if the parties are that close to being done, but usually it's contained in the agreements are contained in some type of formal document that lists all of the agreements and has signatures by the parties. So those are the three main things about divorce mediation. Mediator is still neutral. The divorce mediation in Texas is likely to be one full day session. And at the end of the mediation, your agreements will be written up and everybody will sign those, sign that document that has a list of those agreements in there. Those are three good points about Texas divorce mediation. If your case is to that point where you are considering mediation and you'd like to visit with me about that, you can call me 972-203-6644 and we can talk about your options, your goals, your strategies. and whether mediation is a good fit for you at this time in your case. I'm Jill O'Connell in Louisville, Texas. This is One on Wednesday.